So today we are going to be doing a review of the custom keto diet. That will be at customketodiet.com. Link will be in the description down below, so you can just go check the link out down below in the description. And so let's take a look at this custom keto diet. This diet is based on the ketosis diet, based on getting ketones flowing through your blood system, which is the optimal fuel for your body, basically. So what ketosis is when your body enters a starvation state, ketones are produced throughout your body to help you get into like this fight or flight mode, which is ideal, like, you know, if you were in a hunter situation and food is scarce and you gotta go out there and hunt for your food, so your body needs to be in tip-top shape. You need to be focused, all your senses need to be on point. So your body enters what's called ketosis. And ketones are produced throughout your body. I don't know exactly how ketones are produced. You can look for another video on that one. I'm not going to get into that detail right now. But, so the idea behind this diet is putting your body into ketosis. And ketosis is when your body's burning fat for fuel. And a lot of scientists are saying that burning fat, your body fat, for fuel or good sources of fat, like fat from salmon, bacon, they say, you know, it's got to be all natural, all organic. Excuse me, it's got to be all natural, all organic produced, none of that GMO crap type foods. Good fats from those type of foods. You got your omega-3s, omega-6s that are in the salmon. It's got to be wild caught salmon. Don't get the farm-raised stuff. It's got to say wild caught on the package. So make sure you pay attention to that. Wild caught salmon, nothing else, okay? And yeah, so you want good fats. It's a good fuel for your body. Let's get into it. So we're going to go to this website right here, customketodiet.com. And once you get to this website, it's going to take you through a quiz process first to get you started, I guess, to qualify you and to see what meal program that they can come up with will be better and ideal for your body type, your weight, your situation, and anything like that. Alright, so since I'm a male, I'm going to select male because this plan works for both male and female. Don't get it twisted, it's not just for female. I know a lot of people are thinking, oh, the keto diet is probably just for women. No, it's for male and female. It works both ways. So let's check out the website. We're gonna go to male because that's what I am. Daily activity level: couch potato, somewhat active, average activity, very active, extremely active. I'm going to say average activity. Select which meal you would like to be included. I like chicken, I like pork, and I like beef. Can I select all of them? And I like bacon. I like all of these actually. So let's check that one. Let's check. Oh, we can only choose one. It looks like. Oh no, there it is. It lets us multi-select. So you can choose more than one. Oh, but it looks like, yeah, there it is. Okay. So we got beef. I want some fish in my meal plan because I love salmon. I really like salmon. Salmon is good, especially if you don't cook it like all the way through with like just a little pink in the middle. It's really good that way. Some people like their salmon cooked all the way through, but I like mine just a little pink, just a little bit undercooked in the middle, and it tastes fantastic that way. This meal actually includes a lot of recipes. This plan actually also includes a lot of recipes that's easy to follow along with. But we'll get into those details later. It's actually pretty good. I like bacon. I'm not going to select that because I'm a meat eater for sure. So let's go next. And we will select our veggies. I like broccoli. Broccoli is good. I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are very good. And I like avocados. Oh, I love asparagus. Asparagus is good. Cauliflower, I don't really cook it. I like cauliflower, but I don't cook it very often. So we're going to just skip that. And zucchini. I like zucchini, but I don't really cook it very often. So we'll just skip the zucchini. And we'll go with next. Other foods. I love eggs. I like nuts. Cheese. Not a big fan of cottage cheese. Yes, butter is good to cook with, and coconut. I like coconut oils. I don't really particularly eat coconuts and stuff like that. Not that there's anything wrong with coconuts. Coconut's supposed to be pretty good for you, and coconut oil is really good for you. I use a lot of coconut oil. I use coconut oil when I cook. I even use coconut oil on my skin because you can put it on your skin. You're not really supposed to be putting anything on your skin that you can't eat. So if you can't eat lotion, you probably shouldn't be putting it on your skin because it's kind of toxic. And your skin actually absorbs, you know, whatever you put on it. Like if you put some oil on your skin, it absorbs and it goes into your bloodstream. So I mean, you should be careful what you put in your skin, on your skin, as well as what you put inside your body. So let's go on to the next step. Your measurement, imperial. Okay, I am 41. I'm 5 feet 8. 150 pounds. Target weight, I don't really need to lose any weight, so we'll just put 148 right there. I could use a couple of pounds, I guess. I don't know where from. Alright, so let's go next. We'll continue. Your 60-day personal keto diet is ready. Click here for your plan. Here is your summary. Daily calories 1700 to 1800 calories. Recommended calories 1700 to 1800 calories. Fats 120 to 140 grams of fats. Recommended fats 120 to 140 grams. Daily carbs 20 to 30 grams. Recommended 20 to 30 grams. Daily protein, you can see the numbers right there, 100 to 120 grams of protein. Daily water intake 2.9 liters, recommended 2.9 liters. Your body mass index 22.7. Your BMI normal weight. Okay. So this plan probably, I pretty much live a keto lifestyle anyway because I eat a lot of meat. I like bacon. I eat a lot of salmon. I eat salmon at least twice a week. And I love avocados. Avocados are fantastic. I don't eat whole avocados. I buy this stuff at Costco. It's called avocado paste. It's basically just avocados that they took the pit out for you and just put it into a little container, making it easier to eat. It's more expensive, but it's more convenient, and I'm more likely to eat it that way. So sometimes you gotta spend a little bit more money for the sake of convenience. So that's what I did, and that's what I do with my avocados because I like avocados. And it comes seasoned, and it has a little bit of lemon juice in it as well. It's fantastic. I can't put a link in there because it's Costco, and they sell it there all the time. It's called avocado mash. It's always at Costco. Maybe I'll put a little picture or something up on the screen somewhere so you can know exactly what I'm talking about if you guys are into avocados like that. And my daily activity, I do a lot of moving around all day when I'm working, so I'm kind of active. Your daily activity level is moderate. There's no way that this can actually really know how much moving around I do unless, it's just going based on what I told it. And achievable weight, 141 pounds. I don't think I want to be 141 pounds. I'm already pretty slim, pretty fit. I don't think I need to lose any weight. So this probably wouldn't be ideal for me. But for many people, this is definitely an ideal plan. Alright, so we got some before and after pictures that you would normally see with any diet plan. So this is this young lady here. She looks pretty good afterwards. Let's go ahead and read some of these testimonials. I've been asked to give my view on custom keto diet plan I received, and I have to say it really works. As of today, I've lost 35 pounds. I have no hunger pangs, and mentally I feel sharp as a pin. This is definitely going to become a way of life for me as it's so easy to follow. All my meals are planned out for me, and I even get a downloadable shopping list with all the ingredients I need for weekly shop. So it's really easy. So it really is doable. Is that supposed to be doable? I guess she misspelled it. Doodle. That is doodle, right? DODDLE. Alright, well, it's authentic. They didn't correct any things that needed to be corrected because alright, anyway, that's Katie Thompson from the UK. So let's check out Jessica. This is before Jessica. Looks like she likes to play basketball. Maybe she coaches basketball or something like that. I don't know. Not basketball, baseball. Duh. Alright, that's before, that's after. She looks pretty good. I've tried so many fad diets, exercise like a madman, and simply starved myself, and every time I ended up back to square one. The meal plan I got from Custom Keto Diet is simply amazing and has let me strip the fat faster than I've ever thought possible, but I have also kept it off too. It's definitely worth trying if you want to lose weight. Jessica from Washington, United States. So Jessica did pretty good. It seems like an authentic review. Testimony, I should say. Some of our features: fully automated and editable. We use sophisticated algorithms to create our plans. This means everything is fully editable in our members area. So if you want to adjust something in your plan, our system will recalculate everything for you immediately. Fast food restaurants. We understand people cannot cook for every meal. Okay. We understand people cannot cook every meal. That's why we are only keto plan, which allows you to incorporate keto-friendly fast food from places such as McDonald's, Subway, Burger King, In-N-Out Burger, Wendy's, and many more. I guess I got a list here with the logos of restaurants that have some type of foods that you can eat from them that are keto-friendly. I personally, sometimes I go to McDonald's in the morning when I'm running late for work, or if it's a day like Saturdays at work, sometimes they'll buy us food, sometimes they don't buy us food, and I don't typically bring food with me on Saturdays when I have to work on a Saturday. I don't have to work every Saturday. Anyway, I'm just rambling. But there we go right there. So those are some of the foods that you can possibly eat on this keto diet, the custom keto diet. That should be pretty convenient. Intermittent fasting. Now, intermittent fasting, this is what I do every day. I intermittently fast. My last meal of the day is usually between somewhere around 6 and 8 o'clock p.m. No, not 6. That's a little too early because I'm usually just getting home around 6. So it's usually sometime around 7 to 8 o'clock is when my last meal of the day is. And the next time that I eat is usually like 11 o'clock a.m. the next morning. And that's not really that long of a time frame, but it's a good enough amount of time where it puts my body into a fat burning mode where I'm starting to burn fat instead of whatever's in my stomach for fuel. And most likely whatever's in my stomach is going to be something that's keto friendly anyway, because like I said, I eat mostly meats and high fat meats for the most part. I don't eat too many vegetables. I know I should probably eat some vegetables, but I'm not really sure if vegetables, I'm getting a lot of mixed opinions about if vegetables are actually really good for you or not. I do eat some vegetables, so it's not like I'm, nutritionally deprived. And I take supplements and stuff, so I get vitamins. I don't know. But let's get back to the keto diet. So, intermittent fasting is when you go for extended periods of time, one day, not like, certain days, stretch days, like multiple days of not eating. It'll be like 15, 20 hours, somewhere around there. 20 hours is kind of a long time, but I don't usually go that long. It's usually from 7 to 11 a.m. is when I usually get my first meal of the day, 11 a.m. And then after that, after that, actually, I don't eat again until I get home, which is around 6 o'clock, and I start eating like around 7. So anyway, skipping a meal is good for you. It helps your body burn the fat. So that's basically what intermittent fasting is. Skipping breakfast, that's the easiest way to do it. Skip breakfast and then eat an early lunch or a late lunch. Or a regular time lunch, not a late lunch, because 11 o'clock is kind of an early lunch. But just skip breakfast and you'll drop some weight just doing that. So yeah, there's that. Alright, so let's go. Let's finish reading from the website. Want to skip a meal? Sure, no problem. Your custom keto diet makes it easy to skip meals so you can play your eating around your schedule rather than becoming a slave to your diet. What you get: portion sizes have been calculated specifically for you. The most popular keto diet, easy recipes for preparing the meals. Get it now. Alright, so that's the buy now button. I think I have a little bit more information on this diet here. So let me see. This is exactly what you will get, what's included in the custom keto diet plan. Alright, so let's read this off here. Okay. You'll get an 8-week meal plan created based on the expertise of certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs. You'll get meals that have calorie and macronutrition. You'll get meals that have calorie and macronutrient content tailored to the specific situation and goals. A nutrition plan with food variation to ensure they will get a wide range of nutrients and boost the likelihood of sticking to their diet. Meals that are based on personal food preferences to make their diet enjoyable and help them stay on track with their plan. Detailed recipes with step-by-step instructions to make meal preparation super simple. No prior cooking experience needed. So pretty much, you don't have to be a chef to do this meal plan, this custom keto diet. You don't have to be a chef because No prior cooking experience is needed. That's a bonus. I love coffee. Alright. A downloadable shopping list each week that details every needed ingredient they will need to a downloadable shopping list each week that details every needed ingredient they will need in the upcoming 7 days. Options on how they can customize every meal even more to suit their taste buds. Your taste buds. Alright, let's keep going. We'll show them what to eat every day to reach their goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way. Alright, and we have some testimonials here, but these are just the same testimonials that are on the front page. Oh, it looks like there's one more. I think the one that was on the home page, which was Katie Thompson from the UK and Jessica Gray from the US. I think she was from Washington. And we got one more here. We got Gary Best from Canada. I struggled with weight my whole life, and it's safe to say that I've tried a lot of diets. The keto diet is the only one I've managed to stick to, and the weight is literally melting off my body. So I guess they put the 55 in it, I guess because maybe he's lost 55 pounds. That's the only thing that makes sense. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. So that's probably what he probably lost 55 pounds. All right. Unlike other diets where I'm feeling hungry all day and food is constantly on my mind, the keto diet has completely eliminated this. I actually never feel hungry with this way of eating. I would definitely recommend anyone struggling to lose weight to try these custom keto meal plans, as they really have been a godsend for me. Alright, so that's the only additional information that I have about this diet plan, the custom keto diet. So I did a little digging around on my own and looked at some other reviews about this custom keto diet of people that actually has gone through the process and actually done the diet. And I couldn't find anything bad to say about it. I couldn't find anything bad that anybody had to say about this diet. Everybody loved it. They liked the meal plans. They liked how super easy it was because everything was laid out. They even had their grocery list. So it was really like a no-brainer diet situation for them, from what I saw, from people that were talking about what they achieved on this diet. And yeah, so I think the custom keto diet I would give this like a 9 out of 10 because I don't really see anything wrong with it. I mean, you gotta buy it. It's not free. It's not that expensive either, so give it a try. Link is in the description down below. I think you guys will enjoy it. Alright, so as an added bonus, I'm gonna give you guys access to a whole slew of keto recipe videos. It'll be free right down below in the description. Just click the link and you'll get access to all of the videos. I think there's maybe 20-30 videos. There's a PDF download with some readable keto recipes, some really good stuff. So be sure to check the link out down below, get those free recipes, and get that downloadable PDF with the recipes as well. So thanks for watching. Peace.